Hello everyone, welcome to a class of basic Python tutorial for learning programming to build websites and software. So if you're planning to learn programming, then you are in the right place because in this class we'll cover everything to get you started with Python. Let's take a look what you learned from this class. Introduction to Python, installing Python and PyCharm, setting up PyCharm, drawing a shape in Python, data types and variables, understanding about strings, understanding about numbers, collecting input from user, making a basic calculator, making a Madlib scheme, basic of working with lists, different functions used in list, creating tuples, functions in Python, using the return statement in Python function. After completing this class, you will be able to learn about the basic of coding in Python, learn about integrated development environment, create shape, learn about different data types and variables, create Madlib scheme, learn different functions in Python. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class project. So what you learned, you will be participate in class project and you can do practice while you're learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So let's start learning Python for creating websites and software together.